Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps, also equipped with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Sports pedals, a sports exterior and interior. On the inside we've got a black leather interior, panorama sunroof. Around back we've got a rear spoiler, our E350 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. And alongside, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and a lane keeping assist. Opening up the door, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a black ash wood trim, power windows, hopping in. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This E350 has 54,572 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.